If you've ever wanted to make passive income online, publishing ebooks on Amazon KDP is one of the easiest ways to start. And with EbookWriter AI, you can do it faster than ever before. You don't need to be a writer, designer, or marketer. All you do is enter your topic or niche idea, and EbookWriter AI instantly generates your entire ebook for you. It creates well-written chapters, organizes your content, and formats it in a way that's ready to publish on Amazon. You can customize the writing style, add your own branding, and even generate a professional-looking cover, all inside the same tool. Once your ebook is done, you just download it and upload it directly to Amazon KDP. From there, Amazon handles everything: sales, delivery, and royalties. Your ebook can keep earning money for you 24/7 while you sleep. It's one of the simplest ways to build passive income online. No writing, no complicated setup, just your ideas turned into income generating ebooks. Ready to start publishing and earning passive income? Click the link in the description and try EbookWriter AI today.